Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at the best free UI design and UX design courses of 2020. Before we begin, go down in the comments and write which is your favorite design course or which is the last design course that you have done and how did you like it. Also, if you want, you can give a link as well. Okay, so the first one is super exciting because this is a very new design course. It's called Learn UI Design Fundamentals by Scrimba. Now we have different levels of this course: white space alignment, contrast, scale, typography. And to make it more interesting, the unique thing that they've put in is after every 2 to 3 topics, you can choose to do a design challenge, and these design challenges are very intriguing and they help you learn more about the previous topics that you've learned. The things that you will be making during the design course is a sales dashboard, an email address form, and also color picker. So this will help you improve your overall UI design course. And if you don't know this man, his name is Gary Simon. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. He has a huge YouTube channel here as well. So I think he'll be a great teacher for this course. Now the next course is by none other than careerfoundry.com. And they have a beginner UX fundamental course. So if you're getting into UX design, or even if you want to polish your UX design skills, this is a very good course. They also have conveniently put the UX course guidelines and everything you learn here: introduction to UX and design thinking, effective user research, build user personas, analyze information architecture, make wireframes and prototypes. Also, how to present your work. That is also a very good topic to learn. They will help you learn by sending you different course material for 6 days on your email. They also have a flexible UI design program, which is again the same format. They will send you course material on your email, so you just need to sign up. The next course is by Gymnasium. This is a UX fundamentals course and it is a full course. They teach you everything from UX to the introduction of UX fundamentals to wireframes and prototypes, to all the best practices on how to understand users better and how to make better applications and product. So this course teaches through video lessons, 30 to 45 minutes each, of course. And they also have student assets, so you can just go ahead and download all the homework and material from here for the price, which is just $0. This is a great course to start off with. They also give you a certificate of excellence after you have passed the final exam, which is of course the test they'll take at the end of the course. So go now and check this Gymnasium website out. Now Figma is also providing a design pilot course which will help you get started with design, not only using Figma but other tools as well. So they have things like what is graphic design, design thinking and ethics, content design research, and much more. They also have a lot of design exercises and challenges like creating a storyboard using an existing design system, reducing complexity, and more. They also teach you how to create a compelling CV or resume, which will help you get a job much faster. So this NNG Group has been founded by Don Norman and Jacob Nielsen, who are one of the founding fathers of UX design in general, and people look up to them. They've created a lot of cool books that you can read, but of course here inside this you have a lot of different articles on the website. You also have training and events. So if you want to find out what are the cool UX conferences they're hosting near you, you can do that. You can even go for online seminars. They keep on having online seminars by Don Norman himself, as well as have a lot of other topics like design process, agile theory, application design, ideation, and much more. I hope you liked today's video. This was a short video for all the design courses that you can take up in 2020. And of course, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you did, and I will see you every Monday and Thursday with absolute brand new content. See you next time. God bless.